This video was created as an educational media and summarization of stems about gel-electrophoresis.
Welcome to the gel monk activities, the activities about gel electrophoresis that merge with the monkey situations to gain more attention from the participant. This activity is a STEAM activity that represents the basic information about gel electrophoresis and show the participant the process of gel electrophoresis. This activity is provided for the middle school student. First, let's talk about this activity's objective. We have 4 main objectives in these activities and can complete 3 out of 4. We can make the participant understand and explain the gel electrophoresis method correctly. They also know how to compare between bands. We can also make the participant share their creativity in the experiment. However, we cannot make the participant use the knowledge from the gel electrophoresis in their daily life in various ways.
Our working process is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the introduction. It creates a situation to attract attention and simulate learning by asking questions. Take 3 minutes for this part. The basic information part will explain the content related to electrophoresis. Take around 5 or 6 minutes. Recap part is the review knowledge and analyze results. Take 10 minutes. And the last part is the main activity. Students will be design a model showing the relationship between size and distance. Take 10 minutes. The first one is the first part. Involved to using situation to attract student attention. Here we will set up a situation using the monkey blood sample to run gel electrophoresis. It also asks questions to simulate learning for students. To view the sample simulation video, simply scan the QR code that is included. And the next part is the basic information. This part is providing knowledge and information related to the electrophoresis activity. It starts with the working principle of gel electrophoresis and factors related to display of DNA band, namely the electrical charge using in system and the size of each DNA sample, and provide information on how to run gel electrophoresis. We will have a clip explaining each step of the process in detail. We can view the full preview video by scanning the QR code on this picture. After having students watch the video, we will review it again before starting the knowledge recap activity.
Recap activities we using to the equipment including agarose gel, centrifuge, buffer, sample tube, autopipette, horizontal electrophoresis, comb, tipped box, power supply, and tipped to simulate preparation for gel electrophoresis experiment, which we have to review step by step how to do the gel electrophoresis. And another recap activities. We will have participants compare a gel sample with marker to see which sample DNA letter to match the marker, and after matching, summarize the result. You can add the QR code at each sample box for a clearly sampled picture. For the main activity, the participant need to design any object by using this material. Consists of future board, Scotch tape, bottle, balloon, cutter, scissor, rope, paper, and plastic bag. After that, the object will be tested to show that the size of the object affects the formation of different bands and the speed of the gel running. Before we go into the next part, we want to sum up a little bit. In gel electrophoresis, there are 2 main factors that affect the movement of the DNA sample. These are 1. Charge, because DNA is the negatively charged molecule, which will be attracted to move toward the positively charged electrode. 2. Size, smaller molecule can move faster than larger molecule. There are 5 main steps in doing a gel electrophoresis. First, prepare the sample. Second, prepare the gel and buffer. Third, load sample. Fourth, electrophoresis or running the gel. And fifth, visualize and document band. We can analyze the DNA sample by compare DNA bands to the DNA marker to help estimate the size of the DNA fragments in your samples. And for the applications, we can apply this method to help in various ways. For example, our monkey situation.
After action review, comment from participants. The comment from the participant will get 9.375 out of 10. They comment that there are a lot of activities to do, and the reaction between the instructor and participant is very good. Also describe the gel electrophoresis theory, but it has dead air and is confused in the main activity. Overall, it is a lot of fun. The standpoints of the STEM activity are good energy to make participants have an emotion feeling to do the activity, well-prepared equipment for all participants to do the activity. There are a lot of interesting activities to do, and they are all easy to do in terms of the 2D experiment and the design of the size. Every participant has to participate and can do all of them as a team, and it will help them gain knowledge. The time to spend is 26 minutes and 42 seconds, and the time to determine is 30 minutes, so it is good for spending time.
Weakness point. First, standing position. We stood together quite clustered and did not spread out. Next, presenter are reading slide and script. Presentation not smooth. We have paused video sometimes. And lastly, unwell steps organized. We have no slide controller. Participant distract while another presenter is presenting. And we have a lot of dead air. For the improvements, the work takes too long to complete. There isn't much time left to practice presenting before the actual presentation, so we decide to work together to allocate work time and modify activities not too long.
Start from this section. We are going to explain about the word STEAM and how it stands for. S. Science. It is about gel electrophoresis and how to analyze DNA ladder from the sample. T is technology, how to use horizontal electrophoresis. E is engineering. We are about to design the model, explain the relationship between size and distance. A. Art, design experimental method with reasonable thinking. And the last one is M. Mathematics. We compare the speed of the model.